I have tons of new makeup, and honestly I want to like just refresh my whole look. By the end of this year I want to have like my signature look down, so we're gonna honestly go through this stuff with a real clear, good mind. Okay, I was actually sent some PR from L'Oreal. Thank you so much, shout out to L'Oreal. And this is not in exchange for this video, it's just because look, I think that this is a sign. Okay, I think it's actually time for me to level up. Okay, usually I'm all about the cheap makeup, the $5 stuff and all that, but I mean look, if you can spend an extra couple dollars and just get something of a little better quality, a little better match, then maybe we should start doing stuff like that. I don't know. Okay, let's see. But this is my good old trusty kit full of all different types of discounted, not even discounted, but just like inexpensive, affordable makeup. I am a Red by Kiss brand ambassador, and with that is the Ivy Beauty like whole brand, which is Red by Kiss, Ruby Kisses, Kiss NY Professionals, all that type of stuff, right? So I can get makeup, you know, for being a brand ambassador and just stuff like that. But I'm not really wanting to be that active in that program anymore, if I'm being honest. My point of telling you this is so that you know that all of this stuff that you see in this video I did not purchase with my own money, but it is my honest opinion. I've been using this stuff for years. You know, I'm just letting you know, doing my FCC, okay? But yeah, let's just get straight into this. The whole point is that I just want to kind of level it up, so we're gonna really go through this and not play around, but it's a lot, okay? So first we have makeup brushes, this end cap, okay? When it comes to these makeup brushes, I'm not too sure about an alternative. If you have like any favorite makeup brands, let me know in the comments down below. Also, all the things that you see here, I'll try to link as much as I can here on the actual video. I am a YouTube shopping affiliate, so I do receive a small commission if you do decide to use my links to make any purchases. Okay, I'll also put my Amazon storefront in the description box, as well as it is on my main page and in the links and everything like that. I got you covered. But when it comes to these makeup brushes, I think I'm honestly just going to clean these and just make it do what it do. I'm not in a rush for any new makeup brushes, nor have I put on makeup in quite some time. So let's like start there first. So we're gonna definitely just keep those. My other video, I'll go ahead and link that, where I kind of started and I just like completely stopped. I think we started at the brushes and we just stopped. So let's go ahead and get into the rest of these goodies. Now this particular train situation itself, this is like a case, like a big old case. I got this off of TikTok Shop. I was a TikTok Shop affiliate, but I personally don't like being on the platform itself, TikTok, so I'm not on it. Like, yeah, you know, a lot of people don't like to be on it for the mental health. Okay, I'm one of those. But yeah, so this is like a lot of stuff for no reason, but I'm nervous. I don't want to throw stuff away, but we just have to do this. Okay, so I'm gonna go through this, or should we go through the new makeup first? What do you think? The new makeup and then see what we can replace from this? Maybe we should do something like that. Let's get into the good stuff first. This stuff will definitely be linked on this video, okay? I'm just not, you know, I don't know. I just don't want to give up at all. You just yet, okay? Even when it's expired, you just don't want to give it up. You know what I mean, okay? So just give me a minute. Let's excite ourselves with the new stuff first and then go from there, okay? In this first box from L'Oreal, we have, now, okay, some time ago, I also got a package from Urban Decay, and it was the glow, these like glow things. It's the Face Bond Luminizer from Urban Decay. One of them popped inside of the PR package, and it was such a nice color, but the colors that I do have right here are PCH, Half Baked, and Golden Hour, and they look like this. Let's see, these are pretty nice. The other one was like a really nice brownish golden. It was so nice. It was like these two mixed together. It was so nice. So let me go ahead and see what these look like. These are basically face balm luminizers. You put them on your face like a highlighter. Very nice. Let's just take one out of the pack. Give me a minute. That's how the applicator is, and I'm pushing a little bit. It's kind of messy, I'm not gonna front, but that's what it looks like. I'm gonna get a piece of this paper and just kind of like swatch it. Let me see if I can get my light better. You see that? Okay, what I'm seeing is this is actually pretty nice on my skin. You may not be able to see it, and I think that might low-key be the point. It's like blending in really nice. The one that I did, where's it? I did this one Half Baked. This is Half Baked on my hand. It is really nice, actually. It's very nice. It's golden, warm. That's very nice. I'm using a ring light, and against the ring light, you can't really tell. That's crazy. You can't tell. Maybe, I don't know if I go in the sun or something, but this is really nice. It just really, it blends in really well. I'm not too sure what it's supposed to be doing, but this blends in really nice. Let me see if I put a little bit on my face. What does it look like? Maybe you can tell. You see that? It just gave me like a hint, but it like, you see that? That's really nice. See, that's what we're going for. This was the better option to open this stuff up first, okay? We're gonna keep that stuff. Just keep it, okay? Keeping the $5 makeup, okay? So yeah, this is really nice though. I like that. It's nice and subtle, brown, golden, rich, very pretty. I know it's gonna look beautiful in the sun. This is something that I actually would wear on its own, just to give me like a little glow to my face so I don't look so dull. You see how I literally look dull on this side? But on this side, got that little hint, a little sparkle, a little shine. I like that, okay? So yeah, Half Baked's is Face Bond Luminizers from Urban Decay. I'll go ahead and link this. So along with that, the Urban Decay package, I also got the Urban Decay All Nighter. This is a long-lasting makeup setting spray. I have always wanted this. Okay, look, I was not the girl that wore makeup like that. I still am not. That's why I'm having such an issue with this. But Urban Decay, like if you Beauty Gurus, Time, the Infamous, all those girls, the MAC, the Urban Decay, all those setting sprays. So it's kind of cool that I actually finally have this. It's just that I want to know how to use it. So yeah, I'll go ahead, make sure I link this. That smell is interesting. I wasn't expecting any type of smell, but yeah, this is cute. After applying makeup, shake bottle well, hold 8 to 10 inches away from your face. Close your eyes and your mouth and mix it 2 to 4 times in an X or in a T motion. Okay, that's interesting. It does have a smell to it though, just in case you're wondering. So also this is from L'Oreal. Now from this L'Oreal, I got the 3-second setting mist. Infallible's 3-second setting mist. It is a 36-hour DeFi transfer. This is a makeup setting spray, and if you want me to do some type of comparison, like I can go out for the day. I live in Vegas. It's really hot out here, so if you want me to go outside for a day and test these two out, I can definitely do that. Let me know in the comments down below. But yeah, this is cute. It has as you see, a different bottle top than the other one. That's cool. Let's go ahead and try this one out. It's the Voluminous Panorama Corner to Corner Panoramic Volume 1.4 times Bigger Eye Look. So that looks pretty nice. I'm gonna check this out. Nice light gold packaging. It says the Panorama on it. That's cute. Let's try this. That's an interesting little tip. I like that though. So let's see. I watched somebody put on an mascara the other day, and she was like, pow, pow, pow. I was like, I never really thought, I wasn't judging. I was just like, I never really thought that I could put on like a whole bunch, you know? Like get your desired look. But this is all you see like off of one coat. And that eye blink right there was the one that did it. If you suffer from sensitive eyes like me, then you got to be careful when you put this stuff on. But yeah, see that? See the difference? Very nice. I like that. And for me, like on my end, it definitely opens up my eye a lot. Like as far as I can see my lashes over here, but over here, just nice and opens it up. I like that. So if you are too, don't forget, curl your lashes and wear some mascara if you feeling fancy like that, if you do mascara, but definitely remember to curl your lashes often so they're not getting in your eyes. That's just so annoying for me. That happens so much. I don't know what's going on, but I feel like my eyelashes are falling out a little too much. This is nice and thick too. It feels very thick. I don't know if you can see how like my lashes are kind of sticking to it, to the wand. It's nice. I like it. Very pretty. What do you think? 1 out of 5. What you think? So again, that's the L'Oreal Panorama. We also have in here, they have some highlightness going on, okay? I think the ticket that came in here, but Summer Radiance starts here, including everything you need for a natural summer glow, plus the finishing touch to lock it in all day and night. Achieve that effortless summer glow with these summer must-haves, from a luminous complexion to vibrant color and bold lashes. You'll have everything you need for a radiant, heat-proof look. And to lock it all in, I love the Infallible Setting Spray. It keeps makeup looking fresh and vibrant all day long, even in the heat and the humidity, okay? It says Alan L'Oreal Paris Celebrity Makeup Artist. That's what he said. So there you go. That's what he said. But yeah, so this whole kit is supposed to be like not luxurious, but luminous and glowing and stuff, right? So I have the Urban Decay still on this side, just so you know. This right here is the Lumi the Liquid Blush, and this is in the color Dewy Bright Pink 605. So this is a blush. It's kind of close to matching my shirt. Let's see. Go ahead and open this up. This is a nice little twist top situation. Ooh, that's a nice big brush. I like that. Let's go ahead and swatch it. And that's the blush. Let me see. I'm gonna be using this Fenty Beauty Contour brush. It's a contour and concealer brush. a travel size number 150. I'm going to be using this to just buff it in a little bit so we can kind of see what this looks like. And it's not too bad. When you blend it in outside from the actual packaging, it looked like it was like super pink, but this is actually not that bad. This is something that like I know I can like work with. That's not too bad. If you can see that, that's nice. We also have in here the Lumi Glotion Natural Glow Enhancer in Deep Glow number 904. Intensely hydrate and luminize for an all-over fresh, healthy, naked skin glow. Dot Blend Glow. Apply alone or under makeup. Use highlighter shade to illuminate all over or highlight. Use darker shade to bronze all over or contour. I'm not sure what exactly this is. A lot of this stuff definitely seems like we are wanting to glow up underneath our makeup. I have kind of been seeing some things going around where it comes to putting like bases underneath your makeup. I've seen some stuff like that, or just like kind of reversing your makeup look. So let me know if that's what this is about, but this is what this looks like. I don't really see much. Maybe I didn't put enough. Let me see. Oh, I see it. It's like, it's really golden. A lot of these are blending in with my skin color. I'm not sure how that's helpful for other people. It's a great thing for me because I'm definitely looking for things that are like, I don't have to do too much. I don't know if this was like a curated package for me and somebody has seen my look and sees that maybe this would match me. I greatly appreciate that because that would be the bomb. I think that maybe L'Oreal is one of those sites where you can go online and like do the face scan and then you can match yourself with stuff. I'm not sure. Don't quote me on that. I think so. But let's see. We also have the L'Oreal Lumi Lip Gloss Highlighter Stick. And this is in 610 Glassy Pearl. This is cute. Ooh, yeah, it's just a nice little balmy stick situation. Can you see it? Let's go ahead and try it out. I'll try it out here underneath. I don't know if you can see it. You see that it's just a nice glow. It's a nice shine, a nice glow. These kind of look nice together. If like when you put on your entire look, that would actually look kind of nice together. I'm liking how creamy the formula is. I'm liking how nice it would blend in with other makeup. I'm really liking that. These colors are very nice and subtle, and when you're looking at them, you're thinking like, what is this? Not like that, but like, you know what I mean? Like, are you sure about this? And no, I'm sure about it actually. When you put it on, it kind of blends in like a, I wish I could find a BB cream that blends in this nicely with my skin because I'm not too sure about the foundation. But yeah, I like that. So in this first package here, we look at the Urban Decay Face Bond Luminizers. We look at the All Nighter Spray as well as the L'Oreal Infallible 3-second setting spray. We have the Lumi Lip Blush, the liquid blush, and this one is in 605. We have the Lumi Glotion in 904. We have the Lumi Lip Glass in Glassy Pearl, and we have the Panorama Mascara. Pretty cool actually. Some cool things. Thank you, L'Oreal. So if you want to see me open up this other package, which has quite some things in it, Daddy Combs, which has some great things in it, this would be the ultimate foundation kit that they sent me. If you want to see this video, go ahead and let me know. I know this started out with me decluttering, but this is kind of decluttering as well as finding what I can replace. So go ahead and let me know if you want to see a part 2 where we can go through the foundations and I'll just do my entire face and figure that all out. And yeah, if you like this as well as other videos, go ahead and make sure you subscribe, and I'll have as much of the products as you've seen today linked down below. Love you all so much.
We're not looking up, you just got the wires crossed.